What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tusk UTV force aluminum roof on your Polaris Pro XP 4. The Tusk UTV force aluminum roof is a great addition for your side-by-side. It's one of the first upgrades you'll want to do to your machine. It's going to give you protection from the sun and other elements. And if you decide to add a rear window, this has spoilers on it, so it can help direct some of the airflow down across the back of the window and clear off the dust. Now, some machines do come with a roof from the factory, but if you want something that's more durable, this is a great option for you. Now, as far as installation goes, it's a simple process, so let me show you how. To start out, you want to lay out your hardware, make sure all of that is there. You should also have 3 different foam rolls. Now, as far as tools go, we've got 4 and 5 millimeter Allens, a 10 and 13 millimeter socket, scissors, safety glasses, and a tape measure. The first step is to cut all of your foam pieces to length. So the thicker stuff, we're going to start by cutting 3 pieces that are 34 1/4 inch long. Now the foam roll with medium thickness, we're going to cut 2 pieces at 29 inches and then 2 more pieces at 23 inches. Now for the thinnest foam strip, we're going to cut 2 pieces at 4 1/4 inches. The next step is to attach the front section of the roof to the rear section. To help us do that, we've raised both pieces off of our table with some 2x4s. So I'm just going to slide this front section over the rear. And then you'll notice we have smaller holes all the way across and then 2 larger slots. We're just going to take the smaller bolts with the lock nuts on the back side. We're going to go through all of these smaller holes, and this stuff, the hardware is just going to be finger tight for now. Now over at the machine, we're going to start by installing the thicker foam trim pieces first. So we're going to start in the very front on this cross member. This one is the 30 1/2 inch piece. And if you don't like to measure, you can always just stick that foam roll right up to this and trim it to length as you go. Then we've got the 29 inch section in the middle. After that, we've got the 27 inch piece going across the back. Now for the long tubes on top of the roll cage going from front to back, we've got the 29 inch piece in the front. We're going to stop at this raised section right here. That's the thin 4 1/4 inch strip. And then you've got the 23 inch piece behind it. And we'll do that on both sides. Once all the foam tape is in place, you want to have a friend help you lift the roof over and set it into place. And you're going to make sure that the mounting holes line up with the holes in the roll cage gussets. From here, we need to install the remaining hardware. So we're going to have the button head bolts. Those are going to go through the flat washer. This will go through the roof. Then you'll put the spacer in between the roof and the hole in the gusset. Go through that, and then on the very bottom, you've got that nylock nut. And just like the rest of the hardware, we're going to leave that loose for now. We'll go do the same steps for the remaining 5 mounting locations. Now that we have all the hardware installed, we're going to make our adjustments both side to side and front and back. Make sure the roof is centered up, and then you can go back through and tighten down all of the hardware. Once you have all your hardware tightened down, you're good to go. If you have any questions about the install process, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need to pick one of these Force aluminum roofs up for your Pro XP Ford, you can find these on our website. They're going to qualify for free shipping. And you also want to subscribe to our channel. That's where you're going to find more helpful content for your machine. We're installing a bunch of other accessories on this, so be sure to check that out. That's it for now. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.